Good day everyone, my name is Ruslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good, I hope everything's fine. And today we have another facade video. So look at this very simple or in fact very unprofessional sort of a structure that I've made. But today we are going to be making the Al Bahar Tower facade inside Abu Dhabi. Alright, so look at how beautiful this facade is, and overall I think the shape is very easy. It's nothing hard to understand. So this is, as a Revit designer, I believe when I look at something like that excuse me, as a Revit designer, when I look at something like that, I definitely see a curtain panel based family, and I see some nodes right here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I see some offsets. So let's quickly go to our Revit and let's make this. Right, so let's go to this point right here, let's go to new, let's go to curtain family based, and let's press UN. Let's change this to millimeters. Let's go to 2 decimal places. Okay. Let's change the pattern to triangle flat, and now check this out. So make sure you follow along. The overall shape is nothing hard, right? You click on that and make sure it is draw on face. So you paste a point right here, and then you paste a point right here, and then you paste a point right here. Done. After that, let's try to connect our points. So 1 and 2, connect, and spline, find that is connected. After that, 1 and 2, and connect, and spline, that is connected. After that, 1 and 2, and spline, and that is connected. And after that, okay, that is connected. Right, after that, another point right here, and this is going to be right this point, right this point, and right this point. And then I'll click on working plane, and let's paste another point exactly in the middle. All right, and let's click on this point right here, and 1000. Fine, perfect. Now while that point is selected, how about we click on this point right here, and then we connect both of them by a reference line. Done. Right here, and click on this point by a reference line. Done. Right here, and how about we click on this point, we connect it by a reference line, and done. Right here, and then we click on this point, and we click on we click on this point, we connect it by a reference line right here, and we click on this point, we connect it by a reference line right here. So you get it, right? I mean, look at the star sort of a shape we have made, and I've tried to make this. We have made this shape already, right, which is kind of 1/3 of that thing. So now connect that, and click on that and create, and fine. Check this out. So very easy, nothing hard to understand. And click on this point right here excuse me. Check this out. So we have made already 1/3, and now it's the same process, so it's the same process, I mean, throughout, right? So for example, now if we concentrate on the side, so the first thing is of course, let me cross this. Okay, so now let's click on that, so spline and reference line, and click on this point excuse me, spline and reference lines. Guys, excuse me for my sore throat, oh my god, it's been a month already. So spline, reference lines, check this out. So we are kind of we are already making that shape. 1 and 2 and 3, and here you go. Check this out. So we have already made the second one, and connect this by spline and reference line, and 1 and 2 and 3, and spline by what? How come it didn't give it error? So connect it properly, spline and reference line. Check this out. So our progress is perfect, right? Nothing hard to understand, I believe. Very easy. So then click on this point, so spline and reference line, and then click on this point, spline and reference line, click on this point, spline and reference line. So check this out. So now 1 and 2, and where's that line? Here's that line. 3, and create form, and check this out. So we have made the Al Bahar Tower within 2 minutes. The first minute I spent on talking, and the next 2 minutes I kind of made this. Check this out. So we are in a way complete, right? And now we have to make this completely parametric. All right, that's very important. So this is the offset value, right? Let's change this into a parameter. So this is going to be the mid, of set, and let's change it into instance. Fine and fine, finished. And now these points are also alright, so let's try to zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's grab that, and this is the value, isn't it? And let's initially change this to 0.8. perfect. So now this is gonna be the 3 points of set 0.8. I mean, the names can be anything as long as you know what you are, you can easily differentiate between them. So let's click on that, and this again is going to be the 3 points offset 0.8. perfect. And this one is going to be right here, and this is again going to be the nope, this one we have to invert it. How about we go to beginning? Yes, so now it's in the 0.8 value. Now you have to click on that. And check this out, guys. So our complete parametric al-Bahar facade is complete already within minutes. Fine, perfect, everything is good. Now how about we click on that, and the material right here, let's change that into a material. So this is going to be the material, and for the material, I think let's press OK right here, and then let's click on yes right here, and for the materials, let's again go to the materials. Okay, perfect. And let's try to do the same right here, and do the same right here. So the materials, and let's go to materials. Perfect. And let's click on this point, and let's click on this point. So this is going to be both of them. So check this out, everything I'm doing it in front of you guys, and it's being done within seconds. So now let's go to that. Let's go to the materials right here, and let's try to find some sort of an aluminium, some colored aluminium, right? We want something interesting, not something boring. Okay, let's go for the blue, and we can change this later on. What is exactly the color of this? Okay, this is the color of that. And excuse me, there's also this thing that we are forgetting. So fine, you know what, let's first of all complete those 3 points. All right, so the next thing is let's go to points, and on plane, all right, on face, and after that, okay, so now we have to make we kind of have to set this our plane. All right, let's try to bring it a bit right here so that we won't have any problems. Let's go to model, to circles, to set. Okay, now we have set that, and right here, perfect. Check this out, so we have made a profile, and okay, I think even the width of our profile is fine, right? 30, isn't it? Okay, so after that, let's try to connect that. Let's try to select that, and select that, and let's try to Control C and Control V, and let's paste another one, and Control V, and let's paste another one. After that, let's try to click on our center. Let's okay, and let's pick new host. So the host is going to be this line right here, and after that excuse me, oh my god, I'm coughing. After that, let's go for this one and pick new host, and let's make that our host. All right, very easy, nothing hard. After that, let's click on line, let's click on that line, or fine, let's click on that first, and let's click on that, and here you go. Check this out, so that is complete. And now let's try to press tab, and we click on that profile. Let's go for the materials. So this is going to be the MAT2 material 2. Fine. And after that, we click on this line right here, and we click on this line. So okay, and this again is going to be tab. All right, we click on that, and we go to materials, and we go to material 2, and perfect. How about we click on this line, and we click on this line, and no, we selected the wrong thing, so we click on that, and we click on that, and okay, perfect. Now let's try to tab right here. So we have selected that. Let's go to tab, let's go to mat 2, and check this out, guys, we have completed. And now let's go to our materials, and for the tab 2, I think and excuse me, aluminium. So this is going to be the plain aluminium, and our facade is complete. So this is the parametric al-Bahar facade, and everything is within our controls. For example, 0.1 apply, and check this out, so we can play with it as much as we want. Apply, and 0.9 apply, and this is going to be the offset, which is for example the 500, so it's going to go down, and 1200, and it's going to go up. All right, perfect. Now let's try to load it into our project, and this is going to be all right. So now let's go to our level 1. This is our building, right? Let's go to our massing inside. Let's go to in place mass. Right, and let's try to go to reference circles, and let's paste a circle right it here, and let's click on the circle. Let's move it a little bit. Let's go back to a 3D view. Let's close all inactive views, and this is the circle, right? Let's go to create form, and let's create this form. All right, perfect. After that, let's try to bring this a bit up above, and let's try to click on these faces. So tab right here. I'm trying to make a pattern out of this. So here you go, check this out. I've selected that. Now divide the face, and let's convert the pattern into a rectangle to a triangle, not a rectangle. Why am I confusing these shapes? So now a rectangle, and the fixed distance of this is gonna be 3048, and the fixed distance of this again is gonna be 3048. Perfect. Check this out, we have pasted it, and now let's just this is the triangle, and this is the family 5. And check this out, guys, so it is complete. This is our parametric al-Bahar facade inside Revit. Look at how beautiful this looks, and you know, no problem, we're going to fix that in a while, but it's completely parametric. So if we press tab and we click on one of them, so these are our values. So for example, the midpoint offset, we can change that to 1000, and okay. And you know what, we forgot to include, we forgot to make this parametric. For example, this is the 3-point offset. How about we go to, and this has to be instance, not type. Now if we load it in, and if we overwrite the existing version, perfect. So even that one got disappeared. All right, we have to make it again. So let's click on this. Let's go to fixed distance. Let's go to patterns, and this is going to be the triangle flat, and fixed distance of 3048, and fixed distance again of 3048. And now we grab the triangle, we paste it into family 5, and check this out. So it got pasted again. Now if we press tab, and tab right here, tab, okay, we select one of them, and check this out. So this is our value, so we can go for 0.5, apply, and it got changed. All right, so this is the al-Bahar facade. For example, if we click right here, we bring here, okay, we select on that, and we change this to 0.5, apply, and check this out, it got changed. So we can make whatever variations we want. Right, now let's press okay, and let's go to our massing and site, and let's go to show off mass, and this is it, guys. This is your al-Bahar facade inside Revit. All right, so the blue and the silver, these linings, they kind of look nice. All right, so this is the reference image that we have, and this is our al-Bahar facade. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from it. All right, take care of yourself, and bye bye.